In front of me is OUKITEL K13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this OUKITEL. First of all, go into tab menu and look for auto rotate icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is green. That means that auto rotation is now on. If you wish to turn it off, you can do that by tapping on the same icon. If you want to, you can go into settings as well, scroll down, tap on display, tap on advanced, scroll down again and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If it's green, that means that auto rotation is enabled. If you wish to disable it, just click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!